All right, who's here on Terrell Guidry? All right, who's the prosecutor on this? All right, so what is happening with this case?
Your Honor,
Motion to withdraw will be submitted to the court, and the state is asking to alter them in conditions for no weapons and to ensure he pays at least $50 a month towards his restitution.
All right, so how much, so the restitution is $608.82. You've been on probation since April 2024. Why have you paid anything towards restitution? Why not?
I don't have the excuse. I
Tender by showing defense something that really
Are you employed?
no, not right now.
When's the last time you had employment?
November.
How much are you going to be able to pay a month towards restitution?
I do like 100.
All right.
Additionally, Judge, the state proposes that, and this is from an email from between 88 Jones and I and Mr. Simmons. The state is also requesting that the defendant provide proof of employment within 30 days.
Your Honor, in talking to my client right now, I don't know that there would be an issue if the court would be willing to, he's expressed a commitment to me to have this paid within 30 days. The $600, $608. Is that correct? Yes.
Well, I'm gonna have him pay $100 per month, and if he can pay the $600 in that time frame, then he can pay it in that time frame. If you get that to probation. So I withdraw the motion. I'm going to alter and amend your conditions. You to pay at least $100 per month towards restitution. There's to be no possession of firearms, and you're to provide proof of employment within 30 days of release. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, the range of punishment for this offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you better start doing things differently, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, Akira Santiago. All right, I need you to show your video. Thank you. Weird. All right, what is happening with this case? Where are we on discovery?
We've gotten discovery, Judge.
All right, and jury trial is set for today.
I believe that we're trying to work out, she has a co-defendant here, we're trying to work out her co-defendant's case, and whether that case resolves will also affect the resolution of this case.
And when is the co-defendant's case?
You said it today.
All right, and who is the co-defendant?
That would be
Carl Robinson. Is Carl Robinson on the docket today? I'm trying to see him. Does anybody see him on the docket? All right, he should be on the docket for today, but for some reason he's not.
didn't show up. Didn't show up.
I do double check those. Really? I crashed out.
All right,
Well, first, I did not see him on the document.
he's supposed to be. Norbert, recall him for Monday. All right, we'll recall him for Monday and we'll recall her for Tuesday.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
9 a.m. on Tuesday, right?
Yes, and you'll need to be in
I got
court
it
on
here.
Tuesday. All right, you're excused.
She can appear by Zoom again. She
Yeah,
lives-
because we'll know whether or not you'll need to confer with the state because we'll need to know where this trial is on Mr. Robinson.
All right, thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. Christopher Charles Gibbons. All right, where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, I represent Mr. Givens on two indicted cases, and there are two unindicted cases that are coming. The state didn't have a file today. This is our first setting. I'm reaching out to Mr. Givens, drug court supervisor, and we are downloading discovery, but there's a few different angles that we're drawing everything together. The state is knowing that I'm asking for a reset to gather all four cases together.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset for discovery.
Is that all you'll be needing, Your Honor, or after the date? Thank you so very much.
April 20th.
No, April 20th is not the right day.
April 27th.
All right, we'll have you all brought back on April 27th. That'll be for discovery. Do you have any questions? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Foz. And I see there's another case that's awaiting indictment.
Yeah, so I talked with Family Violence and they made an offer to TIC that case in exchange for a plea on the other charge.
Mhm.
I talked to Brandon. He's going to contact the complainant. I just want to see if we can get a plea bargain deadline.
How much time are you asking for?
Brandon, what do you think? Couple weeks?
Yeah, a couple weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset for a plea deadline date.
I can do March 26th.
All right, we'll bring you back on March 26th.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, who else is next?
Yeah, Daniel Orozco, page 5, 4 days.
Judge, that's also my case. I have an offer to plead him to his misdemeanors and they're going to dump his felony and a couple other cases. He's set in county court 5 this morning on 2 of them. I'm going to go see if they can bring him down to plead him.
Okay,
And then I'm set in county court 13 on Monday.
all right.
So I just want to see if we can maybe recall it for next, well, I'm not out of town next Friday. But once I get the plea done on Monday, I'll bring the state proof so they can submit the dismissal on the.
All right, so what we'll do is we'll just set him on Monday then, and I'll notate in the system that you'll be out of county.
That'll work. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Norma Orozco is coming back on on Monday.
Orozco?
Jacob Dilday?
There
Morning. All right, who's the prosecutor on Jacob Dilday? All right, so where are we on discovery?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Dilday is being evaluated by mental health court. He's had his initial assessment. They'd like to go forward with the process. So
has he already been referred?
yes,
All right.
he was restored to competency, referred to mental health court, evaluated, and there's just another process.
All right, we'll recall this in 30 days. You may want to talk to Renee Munoz because I know he is one of the attorneys for mental health.
I'm here.
Hi, he's call his name 3 times and he appears. All right, so Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset. And then if he's in mental health court before then, this date will fall off.
Okay, thank you. I'll give you my information in case you have questions about the program.
Okay,
All right, so we'll come back on April 6th.
all right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mary Ann Castillo?
Whatever you do, I want to have knee surgery April 1, knee replacement. I'll probably be out almost all of April.
Okay. All right, come forward, miss.
It's on.
Hi. So where are you on discovery?
Judge, this is the first setting I have discovery, but I've got to go back and look at videos before I can make an argument to the state why they ought to dismiss it.
Okay, so did they tender an offer though?
They're in the process of doing that right now. I know I won't be able to accept it today until I see the videos.
Ms. Ferguson, put this at the last week in March for plea deadline date. Is that good for you? What date?
I can do the 31st.
That'll work.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you
Well,
accept.
31st is that a Monday?
Tuesday.
The next day, I got
No,
I
if
get it
you have All right,
in
the
operation
first-
on April 1.
No, you can't,
Can you do it a couple,
yeah,
the
it has
last
to
of
be
the week
before.
before, like Friday, the week before that? Yeah,
I can do.
that's good.
All right, so we'll bring you back on the 24th. All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
You're
Let
welcome.
me get your receipt.
Gloria Jean Hernandez.
We're ready.
All right, where is she?
She's in.
Come down, please. Hello. Court is calling 2020 CR 9867 State versus Gloria Jean Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Albert Chidas for Ms. Hernandez.
And are you Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Gloria Jean Hernandez who's placed on community supervision on January 12th, 2021 for a term of 5 years for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
In violation of condition number 5 in Dare County, Texas, the defendant Gloria Jean Hernandez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February and March 2021 in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State. Any objections?
No objection,
Did
Judge.
you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is no. State is asking that you grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's community supervision and sentence her for 2 years in the state jail facility based on the plea of true. The defendant was placed on probation in January 2021 and failed to report thereafter.
All right, defense.
Judge, I'd like to call my client as a witness.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear affirm that that the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Gloria Jean Hernandez.
All right, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Hernandez, you recall being placed on probation on January 2021?
Yes,
Were you living in San Antonio at the time?
I will.
Okay. And did you report to probation?
When I first got out, first month,
Okay. And when you reported, what were you instructed to do?
I was supposed to give a drug test and laws come out dirty. They were supposed to report me back to the judge and get a drug test, I believe. And when my probation officer asked me if I was dirty, I told her I would probably still be dirty because I was in for maybe like 3 weeks when I got out. So after that, I ain't gonna lie, she said that she was gonna have to report him to the judge. So I just didn't report no more after that, and I didn't want to get in trouble.
Okay. And how is it that you got arrested and brought to this court?
This time,
Yes.
oh, I was working at a job site in Ohio. I live at now, and they served a felony warrant and they ran my name.
Was the felony warrant for you or someone else?
The owner of the house.
Okay. And so when the police went out, they ran your information and they found out warrant out of Texas?
Yes.
Okay. This whole time, have you been living in Ohio or in San Antonio, or where have you been living?
I've been living in Ohio. I moved to Ohio back in February of 2021.
Okay. So the very next month you moved to
Yes.
Ohio? Okay. In Ohio, have you been arrested for any offenses? Okay. Are you asking the court to keep you on probation?
Yes.
Are you willing to do everything that you're supposed to have done on probation?
Yes.
No further questions, Judge.
All right, state.